Hey everyone! Is Windows Security not opening on your PC? Don't worry, I'll show you quick fixes that actually work. Let's jump right in. Usually, it's because of corrupted system files, a Windows update that didn't install properly, or the Windows Security service got disabled somehow. Alright, first method, and this one works about 70% of the time. We're going to restart the Windows Security service. Here's how. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog. Now type services.msc and hit Enter. You'll see a huge list of services. Just scroll down until you find Windows Security Service. It might also be called Security Center on some versions. Right-click on it and select Restart. If you see that it's stopped, click Start instead. Now, close everything and try opening Windows Security again. Did it work? Awesome. If not, don't worry, we have more methods. Now, we're going to scan for corrupted files. Windows has a built-in tool for this called SFC. Right-click your Start button and select Command Prompt as Admin or Windows PowerShell as Admin. Click Yes when it asks for permission. Now, type this command. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your PC. You'll see a percentage going up. Just let it do its thing. Don't close the window. When it's done, it'll tell you if it found any problems and fix them. Restart your computer and check if Windows Security opens now. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Open Settings. You can press Windows plus I for a shortcut. Go to Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Windows Security. Click the three dots next to it, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down in this new window and you'll see two buttons, Repair and Reset. Try clicking Repair first. Give it a minute to complete. If Repair didn't work, come back here and click Reset. This will delete all the app's data and bring it back to factory settings. Don't worry, your security settings and scans will still be there. Also, you can re-register Windows Security. This method is a bit more technical but super effective. We're going to re-register the Windows Security app. Right-click Start and open Windows PowerShell as admin. Now I'm going to give you a command to paste. You can find it in the description below. Here it is. Just copy and paste that whole thing, then press Enter. It'll take about 30 seconds to a minute. You might see some red text. That's normal, don't panic. When it's done, close PowerShell and try opening Windows Security. Sometimes the issue is caused by a pending update or a buggy update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, click Check for Updates. If there are any updates available, install them all. This might take a while. After everything is installed, restart your PC. Often, Microsoft releases patches specifically to fix these kinds of issues, so this step is really important. Windows actually has a built-in troubleshooter for this. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Look for Windows Security or Windows Update Troubleshooter and run it. Let it scan and apply any fixes automatically. Alright guys, those are all the methods. One of these should definitely fix your Windows security issue. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. I'm really curious. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. I post new videos every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.